Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to cover how to connect a chime bell and configure it. We'll be working with a C313 indoor monitor and a chime bell. Here is the wiring guide. Insert 11-pin cable into the corresponding interface of indoor monitor. Connect bell's negative wire with COM port of indoor monitor and attach bell's positive wire with NO port. The bell requires a 12-volt power adapter to supply power, so we will show how to connect it with a power adapter. If your bell does not need to, you can skip the step. Connect bell's GND wire with negative of power adapter. And do the same with positive port with bell and power adapter. Now power up the devices. And then you should change the relay type of indoor monitor. Open Chrome browser and enter indoor monitor's IP address. The default username and password is admin in admin. Go to Phone, Relay, and Relay Type where you can change the type to chime bell. Then click Submit. Alright, the bell will ring when the indoor monitor receives a call. And the bell will stop ringing automatically after answering the call. Thank you for watching.